In the midst of a turbulent emotional journey, your partner felt compelled to share something profoundly important with you. They acknowledged that they had, regrettably, pushed you away due to external influences. Someone had filled their mind with negativity about your relationship, leading them to believe that the two of you shouldn't be together. These devious whispers questioned your ability to love them, sowing seeds of doubt. In their vulnerability, your partner admitted that they had succumbed to the manipulative tactics of this third party who aimed to sabotage your bond. This person had weaved a web of lies, cunningly seeking to break you apart by tarnishing your love with malicious words. As the toxicity of these falsehoods seeped into their thoughts, your partner began to wonder if there was any truth to the claims. In the midst of confusion, they realized that they had allowed these lies to corrode their trust in you, and they deeply regretted their weakness in succumbing to this deception. However, the turning point in this emotional saga arrived when your partner recognized the authenticity of your love. They vowed not to allow these lies to control their actions any longer. They were breaking free from the shackles of deceit and returning to you with an earnest apology for the pain they had caused with their doubts. Their message to you was one of genuine remorse and a plea for forgiveness. They were determined to rebuild the love that had been temporarily tarnished. They knew that your patience had worn thin due to their inconsistent behavior, and they understood your need to refocus on your own life goals during this tumultuous time. Together, they believed you could overcome any obstacle that crossed your path. They wanted to hold on to the love you shared, cherishing it as a precious bond that was stronger than ever before. They wanted you to know from the depths of their heart that they loved you unconditionally. In the next step of their journey, your partner was planning to send you heartfelt messages asking for your forgiveness and the opportunity to start anew. They were determined to regain your trust and prove that their commitment was steadfast. This was indeed a fresh beginning for both of you as you navigated the turbulent waters of doubt and deception, ultimately emerging stronger, more resilient, and more deeply in love than ever before.